Hello everyone, this is Sharmin from Milkyway Art Design. Today I have this, I don't know, 7-inch hexagonal tile. I am on the process of creating some little pieces because I'm going to go to this little carnival thing and opening a stall, so we'll see how it goes. And these tiles are very cheap when you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, and sometimes you'll find them in sale price. I buy a bunch of them and I just leave it. These were sitting in my home, and then I got invited to attend this carnival, and I thought, hey, I have a bunch of big paints, but these are always, you know what, in your stall when you are going to a craft show or something, you need to have items of different price points. So that's why I'm creating these little ones, because I have lots of big ones. I don't need to worry about the big ones, but let's focus on the smaller ones for now. I just started with my base coat, which is Sherwin-Williams Colors to Go interior paint. This is my Indian yellow. I'm just going to finish up as much as I can, so I'm scraping it. I love when I run out of paint, because that means I'm not wasting my paint. Next one is the transparent gold oxide from Triart. This one is postponed. I'm putting from TLP. When I mixed it, I was in a rush, so I did not dilute it with Sonia. That's why I have some lumps. So I'm using that one very conservatively, as you can see. Last color that I added, it's Ore from TLP. I have some emerald mixed, pre-mixed. Actually, I mixed it a while ago, so I'm just putting that in. And then I have asparagus from TLP. Emerald is also from TLP. So what else can I do? Anyway, let's use the cell activator. For cell activator, I have used lamp black from Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol. The trickiest part of bloom technique is the paints that you are using. Every one of them has to have the same consistency. So sometimes what happens is, if I mix my paints a day ahead, or maybe I'm using an old mixed paint, often I find that they have thickened up, so I have to mix some depending on the consistency. Sometimes I add just a little bit of water, sometimes I add Sonia and water to thin it down. This will instigate some more cells. As you can see, they are coming up. I also have these straws. Sometimes what I do is, see, I'm pulling up some. Using the suction, I am getting rid of some of the black cell activators so I can have more cells. And as you can see, it's working so far. So far it's beautiful. I am liking a lot of cells, but as I'm looking at the cells, the way they have generated, I was thinking I can do something extra. So let me zoom in and you'll see what I do. With my finger, I'm just going to dab my finger slightly into my paint and I will pick it up. That will give me kind of a little tiny little flower look. These are turning out beautiful, but I don't want to do overdo. So I will probably stop soon. This actually looks really cool. So I am just spinning a little more and I feel like I have just enough unique character to this piece. So as you can see, that's how it looks like, and which makes me very happy. Very nice, don't you think so? And I just love the balance of this side is busy, that side is whimsical. Oh, so pretty. But I'm thinking, see, I dipped my finger and it gave me a flowery look. So I'm going to redo it again to make it more prominent. Sometimes your modification might move a little when you spin it too much. So that's what I did. So I'm going to, it's worthwhile to redo it again and make it more prominent. Another one, probably here. Just popping the little bubbles here and there. Okay, pretty, pretty, pretty. I must add a very balanced composition. Let me bring you down, show you up close. Isn't it beautiful? These little flower kind of things creates more warmth. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye. And please don't leave just yet. Let me show you the dried result, because I have already resined it and it's ready to go. So, and you have to tell me, what do you think?